Hey y'all, thanks for tuning in to my channel, Whatever with Country Cuz. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to remove a sticker from a window. This is my old YouTube page, Fixing with Country Cuz. Now it's Whatever with Country Cuz. So, I'm going to replace the fixing with whatever, and hopefully as I'm riding down the road, people will see it, and they'll watch my videos, or subscribe, or like, or comment, or something. So, here's what we're going to do. We're taking this Hyper-Tough window scraper. I think you can scrape tile, or you can scrape windows, or I've used it for furniture. So look how easy it's coming off. That's it. Came off really easy. This is like a long razor blade, I guess. And I've painted a friend of mine's trailer, and not thinking about it while I was painting, my truck was sitting pretty close, and that's what all this is overspray. So one day I'll get all this overspray off my truck when I paint it, and it'll look great. See, look at all of it. It's all over the place. It's inside, it's outside, it's everywhere. So just taking all this off right now while I got the opportunity. Right around all my little letters. I don't have another sticker, but with true Country Cuz style, we're gonna put whatever on a different way. I was looking in the Cuz cave and I found me a paintbrush, and being that I paint furniture, I've always got paint around, so well, I'm not painting furniture no more. So anyway, I got me some white lacquer and a paintbrush. We're gonna paint whatever with Country Cuz on here, or just the whatever. This is lacquer, it should dry pretty quick. Let's see how well I can do it. W, I guess H, A, T, what. Of course, I'll have to put the ever under here. Whatever. People will get the idea. Whatever. Looking good so far. Can you read that? Is that a good A? And this is drying as we speak, because I'm in the sun and it's planned that way. You know, I should have did a different A. We'll let it dry and I'll show you how easy it'll come off. Whatever. Put my little R right here. Whatever. Whatever with Country Cuz. You know, I may leave that A looking homely like that. Beautiful day here in Alabama. It was a little cool this morning. It's starting to look up. Look at that. I'm a true Picasso. I should have thought about my angle with my video. It's kind of hard to paint sideways, but you know, looks like I made it work. Whatever. At least I didn't spell it wrong. Kind of hard to mess up whatever, I guess. What you doing, Charlie? My dog Charlie is over here. Well, he's not my dog, but he lives here. We feed him. He's my son's dog. Here we go, whatever. I think it looks good. And, you know, people will see it and they'll be like, what in the hell? What's going on here? So I need to go look at this guy's channel. He looks like he's pretty funny. Very, I don't know what I was trying to think. Ingenuity? Never mind. ingenious. That's what I was trying to think of. Very ingenious. A good eye grabber. Whatever. That looks like whatever to me. So anyway, it would come off relatively easy after it dries. You just would have to take another Hyper Tough window scraper, and it should come off pretty easy. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up and hit the notification bell and subscribe. And the next time I upload a video, you'll be notified. Maybe one day I can come to your house and paint something on your truck or car or whatever. You know, you never know. Thanks, guys.